Okay, let's try that over again. Hey Mitch, how you doing? With Mitch, we have Camel, we have Palmita, we have Congo with her head back to me. Hey Congo, over here. Yeah, there's Congo. Hi, hi Mitch. There we go. See, everyone has lots of space. We make sure that we don't overcrowd. We put the dogs in that work together. Yes. Everyone has their own space. Everyone has their own kisses and loving. Yes, they do. Everyone needs a lot of loving, don't we? Yes, Mitch? I agree, don't we? We all need some loving. We all need some loving. Yeah. And Camille. That's it for now. Oh yes. Oh yes. We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. Oh yes, I know. Say, I want a home. I want your kisses and loves. Take me home. Oh, you're so sweet. So sweet. Oh, yes. I'm sorry, I gotta go.